Discover the future of skincare with the Lumiere Smart Face device. Featuring 6 versatile modes and 4 advanced technologies, it's designed to meet all your skin's needs. A cutting-edge tool that brings professional treatments to your home. The device combines radio frequency, cooling therapy, phototherapy, and EMS. The cleaning mode deeply cleanses, removing impurities and prepping your skin for the next step in your routine. Radio frequency stimulates collagen production, helping to reduce wrinkles and create a firmer, lifted look. Cooling therapy calms and refreshes the skin, reducing puffiness and inflammation. With these powerful technologies and customizable modes, the Lumiere Smart Face device delivers a complete skincare experience right at home.